Hey guys, it's Mr. Pike. I'm swimming in last year's record-breaking cicada shell challenge. Look at all these cicada shells. I'm going swimming. Hey guys, it's a nice day for a swim. Well, last year's record was 3,936 cicada shells. Let's see if we can beat that this year. I challenge Washington Elementary students to try to beat 3,936 cicada shells. A challenge for everybody. If our school can break the record and bring in 4,000 cicada shells, Mr. Pike will walk barefoot on a floor of cicada shells. Youch! Good luck, everybody. See how many you can bring in. Don't forget to look on trees and bushes and fences. All right, see you later.
Hey, this isn't the music room. Hey, you, where's the music room? Hey, buddy, I'm talking to you. Where's the music room? I guess he's just a shell of his former self. I'll look someplace else.